Today is a very, very windy day. Oh my god. It's very windy today, as you can see. I'm gonna post a little bit about the wind. Oh my god. Wow. We cornered back here. Wow. Oh my god! This is crazy. Oh my god! Oh, let's look at the front real quick. Look at the front. Oh my god. Look at the tree over there. That's in the front again. I'm at the back. Wow. This is just a short video about these winds today. I'll give you guys one last footage. And I'll see the rest of the winds when I'm not recording. Wow. Because I have to get ready for school still. It's like 8 o'clock in the morning. It's morning time. And I'm gonna make this short. Oh my god. Oh my gosh. Alright, I'm gonna see you guys later. Bye bye. Dun, dun, dun.